Today we will be trying out the European LLM, which is Mistral AI, and it had a huge upgrade. It has been making waves on Twitter, on Google. So let's get started. It's free to use, so that's important. It's very fast. Here you can see a comparison of it versus ChatGPT and Claude. And this week Claude will get a new model probably, and in my opinion, O3 Mini right now from ChatGPT is amazing, but you can see 1,000 tokens per second generated with the chat. It's like 10 times faster than the Anthropic, and it's like 15 times faster than ChatGPT. They also have got so many huge things like image generation, which is state of the art actually, and it's powered by Black Forest Flux Ultra, which is very nice to see. It's also very affordable with $15 per month for the Pro tier. And they've got so many things happening. So if you come here on the chat, let me show you exactly what you can do. So click this bar, you have Canvas, web search, image generation, code interpreted. So let's get started with image generation. And as you know, with image generation, I always like to compare with what I believe is the best model out there right now, which is ideogram. So we're going to take a prompt for ideogram and we're going to compare it with what Mistral gives out. So I'm going to take again this prompt from the bridge. I'm going to put it over there and let's see what the result will be and what the generation will be. Maybe I have to say generate an image with this prompt or whatever. So it says working. Let's see what the result will be. I think it actually detected that it has to generate an image, and this is the result. So this is a nice result. I really like it. I think it's a good result, and this is a very good way to test this out. So let's move on now. I want to start a new chat, and I'm going to ask it to do some research. Okay, so I asked it to find 10 ideas for a front-end website, and wow, this was super fast. So we have currency converter, this is nice. You have weather dashboard, so that's also nice. QR code generator, I think this is also very nice. Random password generator, text editor, okay, that's nice. Timer and stopwatch, to-do list, calculator, color picker. All right, so I'm going to start and do color picker. If you check out the link down below, which is nofx.converter or nofx service actually, you will be able to see that I have this unit converter already created, but these are very nice ideas. So implement this application using Next.js 14 and TypeScript and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so I tell it to create a color picker using these applications. So, all right, here we can see the code. That's very interesting. I really expected them to have this code interpreter open up. I don't know why it's not opened up. So let's come over here. Let's take this prompt. Let's copy it. Let's open up a new chat. So I want it to do this implementation using code interpreter. Let's check it out. I think there is also a preview available on this website, or at least that's what I thought. So yeah, here you can get the code to create this color picker application, and here you can see the code. It generated super fast, which is absolutely insane. Okay, so let me ask if it can preview it using Canvas. I'm really interested to see if it can happen. So sure, I can provide with a preview of color picker application using Canvas. So here it writes the code, and let's see if it can actually show us a preview. This would be very exciting to see if it can do. Okay, so this is like the color picker. All right, so let me show. Oh, okay, so it works. I think it works. It seems like it works. So this is interesting. Okay, make the website more beautiful. All right, this is very reasonable to ask, so it will enhance these aesthetics. So maybe you want to use in the prompt this canvas prompt, so it picks it up and uses the canvas to give us a preview. But it looks very nice. I think it's very exciting to see. Okay, so let's see what the result of the beautification will be. Okay, this is nice. This is super nice. All right, did not expect it to look like that. It looks quite good. Wow. I did not expect this. I really did not expect this. And you can actually export and share this thing. So yeah, I think that's amazing. That's absolutely amazing. All right, so let's go back to the previous chat. Let's see exactly what else it told us it can create it. Timer and stopwatch, text editor, random password generator. This is easy. Let's go with text editor. I think this is a hard problem to solve. Okay, so I asked it to create this text editor application. So it gives us all of the instructions, very, very fast to generate, very easy. Everything makes sense, no hallucinations or anything strange. This is very exciting. This is very nice work by Mistral. I did not expect it to be as good as it is. Now, I want you to note that down below in the description, I actually have some courses that I have created for free on Udemy. You can go and check them out if you're interested in learning more things about AI. So, okay, beautify the page. Use Canvas to preview it. Okay, so I ask it to use Canvas to preview the application it creates. I ask it to beautify it. And just like that, in like 2 minutes, we have created 2 amazing utilities that you may want to use or some other person may like to use. And that's very exciting. That's very, very exciting. So, all right, so it goes slow right there. And it opens up the Canvas, simple text editor. Okay, here is the enhanced text editor page. Okay, so here you have like the text and okay, how it previews it. This is very strange. I have no idea what it uses to preview the text of the text editor. Nice. Okay, so you can write like this code over here. This is interesting. All right, do a coding text editor. Have also a button that automatically formats the code. Okay, so let's try something harder. Let's go for a coding text editor and let's see if it can actually create it, if it can actually give out the result. And you can see here it becomes more and more complicated. All right, this is super interesting. This is absolutely insane. I did not really believe that these tools would become so much better. Like implementing this thing like 3 to 4 months ago would require so many prompts. You would not see a preview. You would have to copy paste everything. But right, you have everything over here. Like, okay, how can I preview it? All right, so I don't know. Code editor preview. All right, so is this the code actually? This seems very strange to me, in all honesty. Code mirror. So I'm not exactly sure that we preview what we want. So can you preview? Can you preview the website? I think this is not what I'm asking you to do. This does not seem like the code it's written. This is very strange to me, in all honesty. Like, I don't think we have created this code. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I actually created this thing, but it feels like we did not create this. All right, let's see. It's my first time trying this out. I'm not an expert. I don't know. I'm learning along with you, but this is so exciting, guys. This is so exciting. Like solving the front-end things and writing the basic scripts and the basic functionality for all of these things just excites me so much, in all honesty. It's so exciting to see everything piling up, getting created. So it skipped the part of Next.js, I guess. So here is the basic HTML structure. All right. So it goes with HTML, writes all of the tokens super easily, super fast. Okay, please. Okay, so please pivot the implementation to Next.js, 14, Tailwind, CSS and TypeScript. Beautify the page. Okay, so I ask it to pivot back to Tailwind, to TypeScript, to Next.js. I ask it to make it look better, and let's see if it can come up with the result and give us a preview. Again, I may be wrong. I may be using this tool in not the correct format. Maybe I'm missing something, but still this is super exciting to see how it works, super fast, gives you the code. Worst case scenario, you can put like this thing over to your VS Code and run the commands and see it locally. But again, this is absolutely super exciting. So this is the result we're getting, but I'm not getting like a button. I don't know, this feels like quite wrong. So what's going on? Like, I don't understand. Like, code editor, code mirror. Okay, format code. I see no format code button over here. I don't know what's going wrong, but something is feeling quite off. This is static preview. The actual application is interactive. Okay, so it puts like these things. Okay, this is not exciting. Okay, it did not get it right, I guess. All right, so let's see one more application. Let's do, I don't know. This is easy. This is easy to do. Weather dashboard. Let's go with weather dashboard. All right, so final try. Let's try this one more time. I'm just using it for the first time. Looks super exciting. In all honesty, I absolutely love the results. I did not expect them to be as nice as they seem. And you know that this excites me even more. Like, what I've seen up to now is amazing. So it's working, it shows it's working. I don't know what this button is. Code output. Okay, so whoa, it has all of these things happening behind the scenes. So it gets an error over here about React. Step-by-step guide, initialize. Okay, so it has like an issue with the execution environment, which is interesting. Maybe this is due to the canvas action. I don't know. But again, it gives us the code. It makes sense. Okay, so I want a preview. I cannot run a Next.js directly in this environment. Okay, so I understand. Okay, don't use Next.js. Just make sure the right code you can use. Okay, so it's very transparent that it can not like run Next.js or anything like that. So it gives us like the HTML, it writes the script, style CSS, okay, whatever it has to do. So I like the transparency on that type of end. Previously it could run it, so that also doesn't make sense to me. I don't know, maybe there's some kind of problem with the canvases, etc. I don't know. Okay, let's go with a new chat. Let's remove canvas. Let's add this. Let's try it again. Let's try one more time. Creating full-fledged application, Tailwind. Okay, so it gives us these things over here. Okay, so it tells us this thing. All right, creates a weather application component, which runs. Okay, it makes sense. Use weather dashboard. Okay, yes, run application. Next.js application. Okay, yeah, I can run the application directly here. I will simulate the dashboard, might look like. Okay, so show me a preview. Okay, so to give you a visual preview, might look like I can create a single mockup using Python plotting libraries. This will not be interactive like a real web application, but will give you an idea of the layout design. It's working on that, generating like the code. Yeah, but will you show me the output? All right, so this is what it would look like as a mockup. So this is very interesting because it was able to create a mockup of the application it coded. So it has an understanding of coding transfer to other languages. Okay, so all right, that's interesting. That's interesting and very exciting. So yeah, this is the European LLM. I think it's a very good release at this point. Super exciting. Hopefully you found this interesting. Free to use. You can also like upgrade over here to LeChat Pro. For some reason I cannot do it. They've got like some error. I don't know. Maybe they have quite a big load on their servers. I don't know really. But you've got this like free chat over here. Okay, settings, and they've got like API keys, etc., which you can use. This is interesting as well. So yeah, very, very exciting things. I did not expect all of these things to happen. And, you know, that's absolutely amazing. I think it's very nice. Looks very nice. So let's see what they have created over here. So they say trying to find a policy for my S3 bucket of Glacier, and it gives you configurations. Okay, that's nice. Data analysts and scientists help you clean, pre-process data, corporate functions. All right. And they also got an App Store and Play Store application. Super nice, super nice. Like, did not really expect it to be as good as it seems. Like, this came out of the blue, out of nowhere. Wow, like, very nice job. If they can work also on their online interpreter environment, that would be groundbreaking. Real-time information, search, enterprise ready. And here you can see all of the pricing options, web browsing. So here you have unlimited web browsing, unlimited number of messages per day. Okay, flash answers. All right. And the data is not used to improve their services, whereas on the free version, they do. Okay, here's the team. All right, this is very nice. This is very nice. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.